Of course, here's a short cat-themed play script in 5 paragraphs. Asterisk asterisk title. Asterisk 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 the secret of the silver whisker asterisk 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 characters. Asterisk asterisk Felix, a brave cat explorer. Mittens, Felix's witty sidekick. Luna, guardian of the mystical silver whisker. The alley crew, a group of mischievous street cats. Asterisk asterisk paragraph 1. Asterisk asterisk In the heart of Purrington, Felix and Mittens set out on their greatest adventure yet to find the legendary silver whisker, a magical artifact said to grant 9 lives at once. As they creep through the moonlit alleyways, Felix's tail twitches with excitement. "We must be close," he whispers. But the shadows seem to shift, and a pair of glowing eyes appears. Asterisk asterisk paragraph 2. Asterisk asterisk A gang of street cats, the alley crew, blocks their path, looking for the whisker, eh? Sneers their leader, Claw. "You'll have to get past us first." Mittens rolls his eyes. Typical. "Can't we settle this with a friendly game of chase?" Claw grins. "Fine. If you win, we'll tell you where it's hidden." And with that, the chase begins, paws skimming rooftops, tails flicking in the wind. Asterisk asterisk paragraph 3. Asterisk asterisk After a daring leap over the bakery rooftop, Felix and Mittens win the race. Claw, begrudgingly impressed, leads them to a hidden doorway beneath the old fish market. Inside, they find Luna, the legendary guardian. Her silver flecked fur shimmers as she watches them. "You seek the silver whisker," she purrs. "It is not just a treasure, but a test of wisdom." Asterisk asterisk paragraph 4. Asterisk asterisk Felix hesitates, then speaks. "If it holds great power, it should not be taken lightly." Luna's whiskers twitch approvingly. "You have passed the test." From the shadows, she reveals the silver whisker glowing softly. "True strength comes from knowing when not to take." Felix nods, realizing the real treasure is understanding. Asterisk asterisk paragraph 5. Asterisk asterisk As dawn breaks, Felix and Mittens leave the chamber without the whisker but with a newfound wisdom. Claw and the alley crew watch them go, murmuring admiration. "They could have had it, but they chose knowledge," Claw mutters. Mittens nudges Felix playfully. "No 9 extra lives today." "Huh," Felix chuckles. "We'll make the most of the one we've got." And with that, they disappear into the sunrise, ready for their next great adventure. Would you like me to add more dialogue or another twist? Happy to make it even more exciting.